Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share the topic essential skills for helicopter pilot. Number 1. Hovering skills required maintaining a helicopter in a steady position without moving forward, backward or sideways. Number 2. Auto rotation skills required safe landing of the helicopter in the event of engine failure. Third, vortex ring state recovery skill required to handle and recover from potentially dangerous helicopter conditions. Fourth, forward-looking infrared radar operation skills required during various missions, particularly those carried out at night or in poor visibility conditions. Fifth, crew resource management skill required for effective communication, decision making, and teamwork, which are essential for safe and efficient helicopter operations. Sixth, instrument flight rules skills required to operate the helicopter under all type of weather conditions including low visibility. Seventh, confined area landing skills required to land in challenging and restricted spaces such as rooftops, in forests, or in other emergency situations. Eighth, sling load operation skill required to transport heavy loads by attaching them to the helicopter with a sling. Ninth, GPS navigation skills required accurately and safely navigate the helicopter from one location to another. 10th, night vision goggles skills required to operate the helicopter during night time or in low visibility conditions. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. If you like the contents of the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.